Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to remove the background in Figma. Remember, you can find helpful links in the video description below. Open your project file and click on the rectangle icon at the top left. Select Place Image or Video and choose the image you want to remove the background of. Place the image on the canvas and click on the menu icon. Under the Plugin tab, click on Manage Plugin and search for Remove BG. Click on Run. Now, select the image and click on the menu icon again. Under the Plugin tab, run the Remove BG plugin. After loading, the background of the image will be removed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily remove the background in Figma, giving your designs a polished look. Remember to check the video description for any links mentioned in this video.